Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you are doing well. And this is another video of answer writing. And this question is asked in 2016, and it is GS second paper question. So without wasting time, I think I should start this answer writing. And this is my humble request to you guys. Please do subscribe my channel and also share with your friends too who are preparing for UPSC, and they are expected to give mains 2024. So this is a previous year question. So this question is: the collegium system has become a victim of its own success with the concentration of power in the lands of a few, so leading to question about its legitimacy. Do comment. तो जो concentration of power है कुछ लोगों के हाथों में, तो उसके कारण से इसकी वैधता पर सवाल खड़े हो रहे हैं, तो उस पर कमेंट करना है। तो बिफोर इसमें आंसर राइटिंग मैं आपको स्ट्रक्चर बता देती हूँ कि पहले इसमें आपको इंट्रोडक्शन देना है कि इसमें जो है इंडिपेंडेंस ऑफ जुडिशरी प्रभावित होती है, और साथ में किस तरह से ये कॉलेजियम सिस्टम को का इमरजेंस होगा। तो इन सब चीज़ को आपको लिखना पड़ेगा। तो उसके बाद लास्ट में कंक्लूजन आप देंगे। तो आप लोग देखिए कि मैं किस तरह आंसर राइटिंग कर रही हूँ। सो स्टार्ट करते हैं इस आंसर राइटिंग को। तो पहले हम लिखेंगे आर्टिकल 50 of the constitution of India ensure this that the separation of judiciary from the executive in the constitution so it's Article 50 of the Constitution of India ensure that the separation of judiciary from the executive, which is a which is a part of DPSPs set up in order to maintain separation of powers of the independence of the judiciary. So now we need to write इसका जो मेन बॉडी है, तो इसमें आपको इसमें थोड़ा ये डालना पड़ेगा हेडिंग। तो emergence of collegium system with the first judges cases से इसका emergence हुआ था। तो the Supreme Court held in first judges case in 1982 that there is sorry guys, so there is not necessity of consultation with CGI, hmm, in appointment of judges. That mean not concurrence required concurrence required in second judge's case. सुप्रीम कोर्ट हेल्ड द एपेक्स कोर्ट, आप एपेक्स कोर्ट भी लिख सकते हैं, एपेक्स कोर्ट हेल्ड दैट देयर इज concurrence concurrence required 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 and in third judge's case, oh, the supreme court held the held the that held that the consultation with CGI and four senior most judges required in appointment in appointments of judges by the president by the president by the president by the president. So now we have to write what is challenges associated with the collegium system. So challenges with collegium system. So here in point I am writing lack of transparency transparency lack of transparency and accountability accountability accountability. And second is uh, yes, widespread nepotism in matter of appointments by judges by judges. Third is prevent other organs organs of like legislature in appointments. And fourth is propagate propagate lack of lack of डाइवर्सिटी डाइवर्सिटी का भी इशू होता है कि इसमें जो नेपोटिज्म जो कहते हैं लीड करते हैं नेपोटिज्म लीड्स टू लैक ऑफ डाइवर्सिटी इन जजेस. And fifth point, we also add that women lack of lack of women empowerment in judiciary. Now I am writing the conclusion part. So therefore the stability of the collegium collegium system has itself enabled its antithesis to emerge and and contemporary contemporary situation demand a new system like new national judicial appointment commission, like national judicial appointments commission. So here I completed this answer. So once I recall this answer, how I written this. So the question was, the collegium system has become a victim of its own success, with the concentration of power in the lands of a few, leading to question about its legitimacy in the hands of a few, leading of to the question about its legitimacy. Do comment. So the question this question was asked in 2016. So the answer is, Article 50 of the Constitution of India ensured that the separation of judiciary from the executive, which is a part of DPSP. So here I can underline this segments. So separation of judiciary from executive and set up in order to maintain separation of powers and and of and of independence of the judiciary. So emergence of a collegium system. The Supreme Court held in the first judge's case in 1982 that there is not necessity of consultation with the CGI in appointments of judges. That mean not concurrence required in first judge's case. And in second judge's case, the apex court held that there is concurrence required. And in third judge's case, the Supreme Court held that the consultation with CGI and with four four senior most judges required in appointments of judges by the president. And this, so here I wrote challenges with collegium system. So first challenge is that lack of transparency and accountability. Second is that widespread widespread nepotism in the matters of appointments of judges. And third point is prevent other organs like legislature in appointments, and propagate lack of diversity and lack of women empowerment in judiciary. So therefore यहाँ पे इसको भी ऐड किया जा सकता है कि lack of women empowerment in judiciary due to uh, due to due to patriarchy archaeal belief. So here I wrote conclusion. Therefore, the stability of the collegium system has itself enabled its antithesis to emerge, and contemporary situation demand a new system like NJAC, National Judicial Appointments Commissions. So here I complete this answer. I hope you understand and you learned something new. So please do like, share, and subscribe my channel, and do support, guys. And please do answer writing. And one more thing, please do review my answer. And आपको कोई गलती वगैरह कुछ दिखती हो तो please comment करो. And thank you so much for watching my video till the end. And so thank for watching my video. And please do like, share, and subscribe my channel. See you in the next video for sure.